Welcome to the pulse-pounding world of adventure sports. Today, we're taking an adrenaline-fueled leap into the most thrilling experiences from across the globe. First stop, the windswept peaks of the Himalayas, where ice climbing has taken a chilling twist. Adventurous souls are now tackling frozen waterfalls, testing their mettle against nature's icy grip. Then, we're catching waves in Australia, not with surfboards, but with jet skis. In this high-speed chase against the ocean, every crest is a new challenge. Finally, we're taking to the skies in Brazil, where paragliders have turned the stunning landscapes into their personal playground. But why are these sports gaining traction? They offer a unique blend of risk and reward, pushing boundaries and defying limits. Each experience is a testament to human resilience and grit. So, whether you're a thrill seeker or just an armchair adventurer, these experiences are a reminder that the world is full of extraordinary challenges waiting to be conquered. Join us next time as we continue to explore the exhilarating world of adventure sports.